This is Unit, an AI camera and modular robot arm, 3D printer, laser, pen holder, suction, and AI camera. Unit is the only robot arm for creative makers. Unit's AI camera detects and recognizes objects in real time. Recognized objects can also be moved with the suction tool. Tools are easy to remove. Use the laser tool on whatever material you want. And that's not all. Unit can even replace its tools by itself. Okay? Let's continue with our work. The auto leveling for 3D printing. It levels the printing bed easily.